What's going on YouTube, man? It's your boy A-Money-J773. I know I haven't uploaded in a while, man. I ain't gonna lie, like, it's been a while for real. Like, I just been focused on, getting to the money, such and such. And listen, I don't care if y'all skip this little part I got going on right here, but listen, I just want y'all to know where I've been at and what I've been doing and shit. I ain't gonna tell you everything I've been doing now, because, this is YouTube, but for the most part, I've been working, just trying to get to this money, man. So, shit, if y'all could, like and subscribe to the video. And today, I ain't gonna lie, like, I've been testing out I bought these new paddle shifters. I'm gonna show y'all right now. I bought these new paddle shifters. I don't know if y'all can see them. The red ones right here. Downshift, upshift. But today, I'm gonna be testing them out pretty much for the first time. I haven't really downshifted at all or upshifted in this car. I've always been in automatic, and you could actually leave the car in automatic to do this, because once you start shifting this down to like manual mode, I don't really want to fuck it up. I know Toyota got this little safety feature that if you leave it in drive and use the paddle shifters, like, it would have like it's like a security purpose where your transmission won't fuck up, so they actually shift it for you. But in this case, it don't even matter, because as soon as I downshift or upshift in this Toyota Camry, oh, and by the way, I do have a Toyota Camry 2024, if y'all don't know. I had just bought it in October of last year. So yeah, I ain't gonna lie, like, I got hella plans with this car, and y'all gonna see me dropping a lot more videos. I actually did a lot already. I did, I want to say I did an intake. I put an intake in here, took the old one, I put in a new one. Then, what else did I do? Oh, I put these black door handles on my car, on all four doors. Then, what else did I do? Well, I put these mirrors. I don't know if y'all can see. It's kind of dark right now. I should have recorded earlier, but yeah, as y'all can see, the little pointy mirrors. I put them on. I also put a diffuser on as well in the back. I do got my front splitter, but I'm waiting for it to get nice out, so that way I can put it on. Because this cold weather ain't no joke. I ain't gonna lie, like, this really been cold. Like, if y'all don't know, and y'all ain't from around here, Chicago get cold, but I'm kind of used to it. The car's not really used to it. Shit, it's a 2024. But yeah, so actually I had difficulties putting on my diffuser in the back. If y'all don't know what a diffuser is, I'm gonna try to put a picture right above. And but yeah, anyways, I had took it to the shop, and when I was getting my diffuser installed, it was actually snowing. It was like sleet, and sleet, is pretty tough, so anyways, when I got out the shop, I had drove it for like an hour after he had told me to literally just leave it in the garage 24 hours, let it dry, because it was on the sides of the diffuser. So the diffuser got the main part in the bumper, then I got the side of the diffuser, which actually, like, kind of, it was weird. If I got a photo, I'll go ahead and show y'all. But yeah, anyways, I didn't listen to him, and sure enough, I had to go back to him to get it reapplied, pretty much like glued back on. It was like an adhesive tape or something like that, but I went back to him, boom, got that done. Sure enough, I actually put it in the garage this time. I listened to him, and yeah, I haven't had any issues since then. But it looks pretty dope. If I can, I'll probably get out the car right now and show y'all what exterior mods I did and interior mods I did. My car might be a little dirty, so. But anyways, let's get straight to the point, man. I've been talking this whole entire time. Haven't really gave y'all the paddle shifter update. But let's go ahead and get to it. I'm going to go ahead and flip the screen. So this is downshift, that's upshift. I'm just gonna downshift for this video, because I don't want, but let's try it out. So I'm gonna go ahead and rev it. Yeah, this car get up for real. It is an Xse model. And it has 300 horsepower. It's front wheel drive. It's kind of like, it's not icy out, but it's like snowy out. That's why it slid right now. But I'm gonna go ahead and keep showing y'all a couple more downshifts. Like I said, it actually hops right back into drive mode. So y'all don't gotta worry about it being in manual mode. Cause who likes manual mode? Cause I don't. I love automatic. Oh, I also want to get an exhaust too to this car. I want to get the boiler exhaust, but it costs like 2,500. No, not 2,500. $2 grand. It costs 2 G's for it. But we'll probably get it this summer. I am in sport mode too. Y'all can see it got eco, sport, normal. I don't know if y'all can hear that intake. I added this intake and you can actually hear like a little whine to it. Yeah, if y'all hold down in this Toyota, if you hold down the plus button on the paddle shifters for more than 1 second, it's gonna go ahead and return it back in automatic. As y'all can see, it was waiting for the next gear. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a try again. I'm gonna go ahead and downshift and then upshift real quick, and then press the gas. I want to see how it is. Like I said, man, this is the first time it was waiting for the next gear. I could feel the car. I don't know why I'm on this screen. This car got so many damn features in this. Oh, I did add the starter lights too. I forgot about that mod. I added the starter lights in there. Definitely looking forward to doing more though. More stuff to the car. It's way better when I upshift back up. I'm gonna try it after the stop sign right here. Right here, I'll try it. See, I'm already sliding. I feel like the car got more torque when you do that. Try it one more time for y'all. Yeah, the car definitely responds quicker. I ain't gonna lie, like as soon as I hit the upshift and I press the gas, it literally has more torque. Like it pushes me back a little bit.
Welcome to Indiana.
Y'all can hear it. Welcome to Indiana. That's another good feature that this car got. Like it lets you know where you at. Either whether you're in Illinois or Indiana. Give it one more shot. Roads are pretty icy, I ain't gonna lie. Like I keep sliding, I don't know if y'all pay attention. I just keep on sliding. I really want to try it on the highway because I feel like the highway will give me more, you know, more response and I get to go a little faster. But like I said, the streets are all a little wet, so I'm not trying to go too crazy. Come on, traffic. I'm gonna pull up in that little car wash right there to show y'all the new whip, because a couple of y'all don't know, or the majority of y'all don't know really. If y'all are new to my channel and barely tuning in, I'm gonna show y'all what I done. trying to see the part. Boom! Imagine. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start off with an interior since I'm already in here. It is cold, so I ain't trying to be outside for too long, but oh, like I said, I did my mirrors. Oh, I got these all weather mats. These come in handy right here. They all weather, WeatherTech. I bought them from there. I literally bought those like, I wanna say 2 days after I bought the car, because I needed them. I mean, did it even have, yeah, it had mats, but I wasn't trying to get those, you know, messed up. So I went and got those WeatherTech mats. Like I said, I got the paddle shifters. I'm trying to think what else. I think that's it for interior. But let me go ahead and zip up my coat because it's cold out. Yeah, let me see if y'all can hear the intake I put on. Listen closer. You hear that suction? Yeah. So basically, this is 2024 Toyota Camry. I did go with white. Yeah, this is the diffuser I was talking about. It runs along the whole side. And this is the part that actually came up on me. It was sticking out like this on an angle. And I was like, yeah, I gotta go ahead and get it fixed. So that's what I ended up doing. Went to go get it fixed. Oh, I added these decal logos as well. I had a, whatchamacallit, like a little spoiler that comes out of here. It looked pretty dope. I got pictures I'll go ahead and show y'all. Anyways, that came off the car wash when I was washing my car a lot of times. These are the mirrors. I'm gonna go ahead and pop the trunk for y'all. Y'all can see what the inside of the engine looks like. This is the intake I installed. It's an aftermarket one. I think I want to say that run me like it was like $275 for the intake. Now I also want to do more stuff like adding a bar across the whole engine and doing more stuff. But yeah, this is the intake. Man, that motherfucker's cold, I ain't gonna lie, man. If there's a lot of more stuff I want to do for the car, I definitely want to do more stuff like an exhaust, like what I said. But damn, it's cold. It's like negative something. Nah, it says 17, but it's like negative something. It's fucking cold. But shit, yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and end off the video right here. I just wanted to show y'all like the new paddle shifters I got, and I want to really test them out. And this is the first time I actually tested them out. I just can't wait for the exhaust to come in because I know my shit will probably be popping if I downshift, and you know, I'm just a guy, man. I love this car. That's it. So I appreciate each and every one of you guys for tuning in. If y'all new to my channel, go ahead and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I got more YouTube videos on the way. Definitely more stuff I want to do to the car. But man, all this shit costs money, and I just been working. So I would appreciate y'all if y'all really hit this subscribe button, hit this like button, and comment down below what kind of videos y'all want to see next. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end off the video right here. Peace out, y'all. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. Peace.